Today I'm going to show you how to make crispy potato skins in the air fryer. Let's get started. Down below in the description box you'll find a list of the ingredients and their amounts, but it's really easy to remember. Begin with your potatoes. I have a couple of russet potatoes here, and I washed them and dried them. And now we want to get the skins. So if you're making French fries or you're making some other potato dish where you don't want the skins, save those skins and make these awesome crispy chips with them. Okay, and so I'm going to just peel these skins and put them in this bowl. And you can leave them long, you can cut them short. I usually just leave them long and don't really cut them smaller, but you can treat them however you want. And there is a lot of nutrition in these potato skins. Okay, so we got a bunch of potato skins there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some olive oil, and I just have this in this spray bottle here. And I'm just going to give this a good spray. And you don't have to use the oil, it just helps it get more crispy and adds a little bit of flavor. And then I'm going to add some salt. And just give that a little mix with my hands. And then another little spray. And a little more salt. And you can add other seasonings if you want. Okay? And now, pull out the air fryer basket. And then I'm going to put these potato skins in there. And we're going to just arrange them in a single layer here. And then into the air fryer it goes. I have it on air fry mode, 385 Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. And that is, I don't know, it's like 185 Celsius, right around there. It doesn't have to be exact. Okay, I'm gonna turn this on, and then right around the 5-minute mark, I'm gonna flip the skins over. All right, it's been about 5 minutes. I'm gonna take these out, looking good. And I'm probably gonna do a quick spray again of some olive oil. And then I kinda wanna just flip these over. Another quick spray. And then put them back in for another 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how crispy you want them. Time is up. Yeah, look at these. Nice and golden brown. Looking awesome. They're nice and crispy. I'm just gonna take them out here and put them on a plate. And then while they are still hot, you may want to add more seasonings. And then just eat them as is, or you can dip them in ketchup or something else. Super easy to do. Potato skins in the air fryer. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if there's any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up. Down in the corner, press it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. So yeah, I'm gonna grab this one right here. Yeah.